Runpaq Group pioneered the concept of engineering productization in the HVAC industry by tightly integrating air conditioning equipment with advanced automatic controls. We introduced our unique integrated VAV solution. This innovation transforms the traditionally complex variable air volume systems into standardized, modular products, greatly simplifying the design, installation, commissioning, and maintenance process. Runpaq's VAV air conditioning systems not only deliver comfort, energy efficiency, health, and high performance with ease, but also significantly reduce user investment, ensuring both immediate and long-term value.